Hello everyone, we are here at our rented house in Cavite to live and wait for another renter. Hello San, how are you? You're cleaning, huh? Okay. Thank you. God bless everyone. Hello, Princess Shua. This is the bedroom. Another bedroom. Daniel's cleaning. Okay, this is the dedication here. Laundry. Okay. We have to clean this house before the next renter is coming. Princess is cleaning. Hello! Princess, hello! Lucky, where are you, Lucky? You see Daniel cleaning, sweep the floor. Rosan! How are you?
I'm fine.
So you're cleaning, huh? Okay. God bless everyone.